Hey dude, Frugal Fixer here. I came over to do a little duct job and repair installation job under a house for a lady. And I crawled up under the house and I had a 16-inch piece of duct that had a 8-inch tied into it. And it looked like the T had fell off and it was hanging down and I was going to fix it. So I started taking it apart to fix it, and well, there wasn't no T. It was just a piece of flex with a hole cut in it, stuck in another piece of flex. Yeah, it looked kind of funky. So yeah, what did I do? Well, I went to Lowe's and they didn't have nothing. I went to Home Depot and they didn't have nothing. I went to the sheet metal supply and they didn't have nothing. I need a 16-inch by 8-inch T. 16-inch with an 8 going in the side. Simple as that, but they didn't nobody have one. So I got Frugal Fixer Creative. So y'all just have to see what I made. You ready? I'm gonna show it to you. Here you go. And I bought a piece of 8-inch pipe, 2 foot long. And then I cut that piece of pipe in half. Yeah. And then I cut a hole in it, like that. And then I bought one of these starting collars. And we're gonna try to put this and that and all together and make it round and fix it where it'll go in the pipe and it'll all tie together. Should be interesting. See how this works. But yeah, I thought about, I wasn't gonna video it, and I got to cutting on it and making it, and I said, you know, I should have showed people how you cut this out, but yeah, I already done it now. So yeah, I cut it in half, and then I just laid it down and cut the hole out just the same size as this for this collar to go in. Now we're gonna go under the house and try to get it all put together and some screws in it and get it 16-inch round instead of 8-inch round, because when you try to put it together now, it makes some figure 8, which ain't good. So we got to go hustle under the house with it and wrestle it a while. But when I get done, I'll show you what it looks like. We'll see if it looks right. And you know how it is. It's a Frugal Fixer way. This lady had a mess. All this junk I pulled off from under the house, insulation hanging down everywhere. I put a bunch of tiger teeth up, new insulation, and I'm fixing on the duct, and I run into this one, and it's the worst place. And I said, this is going to be the one we got to fix. And well, it is, but it's a lot worse than I thought. So let's dig deep, get her done. Let's go around the house, crawl in, and get done with it. And see if we can turn this and this and this into a 16 by 8 T. And then put it in line and go. We'll see. Let's get back to work. Okay. This is the start of a 16 by 8 T. I took a piece of 8-inch pipe, I cut it in half. And I didn't have a screwdriver to cut this hole, so I had to slot it to make it, okay? So I got the hole cut. And we're gonna install this, okay? And then we're gonna put it in between all these ducts back here and put it back together, because, well, it was stuck in there kind of stupid the way it was, and we're gonna fix it, so. Anyway, let me get it put the rest of the way. I'm about to lose my battery, so I got to make quick videos to show you what's going on here. But yeah, we're going to put that T in and we're going to connect everything up. So wish it'd been a little longer, but it's all I had. So we'll go. Okay. Put the 2 pieces together with 3 screws. I made sure it went through both pieces of metal. So you see there? And then it's going through here and locking everything together. So all that's locked together. I put 2 pieces of 8-inch pipe together and made a 16. And then here's your round. I got to close all the finish folding my tabs back and finish taping everything up and closing it. So we're working on that now, but we are getting there. It is starting to look like a T, where it'll hold it together better than it was stuck in there on the side. Like, yeah, it wasn't working. Okay, it was just all this flex just poked together and taped around it. I made a solid T, connected it. We're gonna connect that 8-inch there to that branch, and we're gonna connect this big one to that, and we'll all be sealed up, put together right. So let's get it done. You can see pretty good. Got a little dust in it, but it ain't bad. Okay, so let's knock it out. We're gonna tie everything up, strap it back, hang it up tight and get it put back. Okay, it's all back together, insulated tight, closed up. The 8's coming in the side all clean and nice now, and tight and fixed, and it's not whistling at me. So that's a good thing.